SpaceX has achieved a major feat securing a contract to launch the Sentinel 6B radar satellite, scheduled to take place in November 2025. This Sentinel 6B is a revolutionary radar satellite that will provide unparalleled insight into the Earth's climate, weather systems, and oceanic activity. Come along and explore how this launch could revolutionize our understanding of the universe. SpaceX to launch Sentinel 6B. A combined U.S.-European mission to measure global sea levels is being led by NASA, the European Space Agency, and European Organization for the Exploitation of Meteorological Satellites. The second Sentinel, 6 spacecraft named Michael Freilich, will be launched by Space Exploration Technologies, SpaceX, in November 2025 under a $94 million firm fixed price contract awarded by NASA. The launch services and any other expenses associated with the mission are all included in the one set fee. In addition to the European Space Agency, ESA, and the European Organization for the Exploitation of Meteorological Satellites, EOMS, NASA, and National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration are also working together on this mission. The satellite will be launched in November 2025 from California's Vandenberg Space Force Base on a Falcon 9 rocket, under a contract signed with SpaceX on December 20th, 2020. In 2020, an identical satellite, Sentinel 6A, was also launched from this exact location. NASA says the California company Hawthorne will help launch the Sentinel 6B mission aboard a Falcon 9 rocket from Vandenberg Air Force Base. The Kennedy Space Center in Florida is home to NASA's Launch Services Program, which oversees SpaceX's launch operations. The Sentinel 6B satellite is being constructed at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California, and will feature a radar altimeter, radio occultation antennas, and a microwave radiometer. As SpaceX's launch of Sentinel 6B will bring us closer to understanding the universe and our home planet. Discover in a jiffy the significance of this and the changes it will bring about. Benefits of the Sentinel 6B. In a post cited on Twitter by NASA's Launch Services Program, NASA has selected SpaceX to provide launch services for the Sentinel 6B mission, which will continue the long-term global sea level data record begun in 1992. Quote, link, long-term global sea level measurements were first taken by Topex Poseidon in 1992. Further updates were made using JSON 1, 2, and 3, as well as Sentinel 6 Michael Freilich. This trend will be continued with Sentinel 6 Michael Freilich. As part of the JSON Continuity of Service Program, an international partnership with the aim of extending collections of data on oceanographic topography and atmospheric temperature and humidity beyond 2030. The Sentinel 6 Michael Freilich satellite was launched into orbit by the SpaceX exploration venture in November 2020. For continuous updates on the Sentinel 6B up until its launch in November 2025, subscribe to this channel to stay up to date on the latest developments. However, the radar altimeter on Sentinel 6B will be used in this collaborative mission to continuously assess ocean topography by reflecting signals off the ocean surface. The mission will also use the Global Navigation Satellite System radio occultation sounding technology to collect high-resolution vertical temperature profiles to better understand how the Earth's atmosphere is warming or cooling and to fine-tune weather forecasting. You'll see in the next few minutes why this is such an important mission for SpaceX. What the launch of Sentinel 6B means for SpaceX. The launch of Sentinel 6B marks an important milestone for SpaceX, as it will be the second of 2 Sentinel 6 satellites that SpaceX is contracted to launch. This launch is part of a larger strategy to provide environmental monitoring services to global customers and leverage SpaceX's low-cost launch services. With their reusable Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy launchers, the company is steadily reducing launch costs and making space exploration more affordable. Until SpaceX's pricing actually changes the space access scenario, Falcon 9 will continue to be a very cost-effective and immediately accessible choice for all launch customers, including NASA and ESA. The Sentinel 6B satellite will be sent into a low Earth orbit, where it will map up to 95% of the globe's oceans every 10 days. The data collected by the satellite will be used to improve seasonal and annual forecasts of ocean levels and other parameters that help guide decisions related to coastal flooding and maritime infrastructure. SpaceX's success in this endeavor has been described as a big win for the company. demonstrating their capability to deliver transformational space-based solutions even through challenging times. It further solidifies SpaceX's place as a leader in the space industry, capable of delivering an ever-widening range of innovative services to customers. This win is a major addition to SpaceX's portfolio that includes a number of successful launches. It showcases SpaceX's ability to provide high-quality and reliable services for space exploration and further strengthens the company's foothold in the space industry. The Sentinel 6B launch will be a critical step in helping humanity understand and hopefully mitigate the impacts of climate change. This is an exciting opportunity for SpaceX to contribute to the betterment of humanity and make a long-term impact on the world. Every day, SpaceX works to improve the future. To quickly respond to the dire situation in Ukraine, SpaceX is delivering over 10,000 Starlink antennas to help resist Russian air attacks. Watch our video for additional information on the Starlink antennas being sent to Ukraine. I hope you got a kick out of watching today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.